Hey folks, Sierra Alpha Tango here, and I realized it's been a while since I've done any backpacking meal recipes, and I thought I would throw together a quick and easy dessert. This is a favorite easy dessert I do on solo trips, and lightweight things too. It's just a nice easy thing, it's cheap, resources for it are readily available. It's not asking a lot of anyone to do, but it helps make the night a little bit nicer. So I'll show you how I do it. The star of our program is Jell-O brand instant French vanilla flavored pudding mix. I really like pudding mixes, as you've seen in another video of mine. I will link to it above one of these. Anyway, it's really nice because it's easy, it's cheap, it really doesn't require a lot of effort, and it makes a nice satisfying dessert. Now, what you'll need to do is take 48 grams of this mix, that's half a package, and add it to a zip-top bag, to which you will then add 2 tablespoons of powdered whole milk, which is enough to make a cup. And then optionally, you can add a serving of your favorite protein shake mix. I use a vanilla protein shake mix that I get from Trader Joe's. I know what you're thinking. Oh, he's just making pudding. That's not a recipe. There's no special thing. That's kind of silly. Well, let me introduce to you my party piece. Vanilla wafers, my friend. 4 to 6 of these, crumbled loosely, mixed in. It gives it the texture of like a banana pudding almost, like one of those refrigerator banana puddings. It's really nice and refreshing, and just a little thing like this makes all the difference in the world. So that's all it takes. Just a little pudding mix, a little powdered milk, little cookies. You got yourself a really awesome little backpacking meal. Have a great day. Thanks for tuning in.